it's so good. You can't do this song without me.
Yes.
No, you can't.
Yes, we can.
But no, I'm going to do it like that. I have to do it.
You have to do it.
I have to do it with you. Yes,
Oh,
I
yes.
do. Yeah, you know, you thought I was dead, right? I'm not. I'm 99 years old, actually. Yeah, I dyed my hair and I had the crew duck face my face back. So I can look handsome for you because you're 10 years younger. We could go out together. Young. But first, let's do this thing.
Let's hear it for Terry.
I'll be all
Okay.
right.
You'll be all right?
I will.
Are you ready yet?
I'm ready. I think. Let's see. Could I have a seat? All right, I'm ready now.